back in the days.
10. Stop. Oh, don't look here. Yeah. Hey, Asatwa! Hey, Dogo! Is that what you've been doing when I'm away?
Papa, no.
And you, are you not part of the boys? The vagabond boys in this town? No. We smokers? No. Me, I'm just passing and greet. You had the guts to come to my own house.
So, you'll be lying to me? Amele, all this while you'll be lying to me. You are lying your teacher, that idiot teacher of yours impregnated you. Eh? Hey!
Mawole.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Our life can sometimes be very different from what we planned. My world is turned upside down by my mistakes of the past, and the consequences can be seen worldwide. A young man with a vision of becoming a professional, disciplined and uncalled for behavior. My name is Prosper Mawuli, a descendant from the great Ametoma Mawuli's family from the Volta region of Ghana. This is my life story in a small village called Bredi, and I call it Back in the Days.
Yeah.
Baby.
Hey. Do you know something?
What?
The way I feel this girl now,
I love you too.
I check you rough. But today,
What?
you know something?
Why?
I want you to give me one. Let's go.
No, allow me prepare food for my father. He will be back anytime soon.
Your father?
Yeah.
I meet her with the Johnson there.
Really?
Where you from? Yeah, really. really. Hey. Yeah. See or something. Do you know something? 10. Stop. Oh, don't look here. Yeah. Hey, Asatwa! Hey, Dogo! Is that what you've been doing when I'm away?
Papa, no.
And you, are you not part of the boys? The vagabond boys in this town? No. We smokers? No. Me, I'm just passing and greet. You had the guts to come to my own house to squeeze my daughter's buttocks and then massage her breast. Ali Baba,
It's not like
today I've caught you. Ali Baba, today I'll kill you. In fact, say your last prayers.
Forgive me. It's not like that.
Do you know how serious I am? I went to my farm and realized somebody has stolen my civet. And you were here squeezing my daughter's buttocks.
No, Papa. Please wait. Is that Kankani you're talking about?
Of course, talking about my civet.
Please. I know.
You know what
Let me tell you, stop killing me, please. Forgive me.
Go ahead.
You can stop killing me.
Go ahead, just go. Just tell me.
Okay, please. Hey! One of my friends.
This village. Adi.
Why?
Something cut my hair. There is ants. I don't know. You Ali Baba, you know that I like you very much. But whenever we are going to somewhere, you don't want to go with us. Why? You like this monkey they work and babu they chop this thing. Hey, why are you like that? You are insulting me. I'm not insulting you. You are insulting me, say you are not insulting me. Now banku they chop the monkey they chop. You know me say banku they chop. I said monkey they work babu they chop. I didn't say banku. You are sitting. You are lazy too much. Who is lazy? You are sitting here. You are insulting me. Have you looked mirror before?
What?
Have you looked mirror before?
Mirror.
If you look somewhere, you go chop all your head.
What are you trying to tell me?
What am I trying to say? It's the same as jollof rice. Plenty. No difference. Your hair, here, you are this thing. The same as jollof rice.
Look at somebody who is talking about my hair.
If what, you know?
So look at somebody who is talking about my hair.
Hey,
your hair like bullshit. You do bullshit.
Anything as jollof rice.
Come on for there.
Wait, no chicken.
Yesterday, you see the meat that you saw, no?
The black meat.
Yeah, it kankane.
Hey!
You took it from a Quantes farm. You took it from his trap. But you, whenever you go somewhere, no, you want to play smart. You don't want to go with that. That's why we didn't give you some.
Hey! You guys, is that how you people are?
You think you are smart? You be mumu. You self, you be mumu.
Maybe mumu.
You be mumu. You think so you did smart?
Ah! Yeah, you people. Like, cock leg and down.
What?
No difference. Go and come like this. You get rich because of I didn't go some, you don't give me some. Okay.
Next time, come with us.
Okay.
Come with us.
Okay. Whose farm?
A Quantes farm. You took it from his farm from his trap yesterday.
Asante father?
Yes, Asante's father.
My own Asante father. Hey! And you people don't give me some. Don't they say that my in-law?
You be your in-law. When did you get married to Asante? Quantes became your in-law.
It be upcoming in-law. Now it is doubles. And don't give me some.
Let me tell you something. If you refuse to go with us, you won't chop some. There's no food for a lazy man. Next time, come with us.
Is that how it is?
Those boys, those rich smokers.
Yes.
They went to stole my civet.
Yes, me, I'm not part of them.
You are not part of them.
I don't smoke. I just take tramadol.
They are all the same family. Say your last prayers.
You
see what you've done? You see what you've done? You see what you've done? If I hit you like you saw. In fact, when I'm away, is that what you've been doing? This boy comes to my own house to massage you. In fact, he nearly stole your virginity, or he has stolen it.
Friend.
This guy himself.
Don't worry. I know she won't take it easy, but you have to tell her. Please.
I'll try and tell her.
Good girl.
I have no other option now.
Exactly. Okay?
Okay.
Hey, Rema,
Mommy,
how are you?
please, I'm fine.
And how is mommy and dad?
Everyone is fine.
That's good.
Nkwanta. You are welcome. Thank you. Why are you so angry? Why won't I be angry? Odiko, why won't I be angry? I'm in my own community, but I can't find peace. Why? This is not the first time, and this is not the second time. It has happened several occasions. I don't know what to do and what to say again. It's like I'm living with you in the same house. Because every blessed day problem comes, I have to come to you. When I come to you, the problem is nowhere to be solved. Do you know that this Shime with Ofrijato and then the other guy, Odin Kese, and then Ali Baba, they are the people stealing around this community. Today, somebody fowl goes off. Tomorrow, cassava. Tomorrow, next plantain. The next day is cow. Every blessed day people complain. So how did you know? You will not believe it. Udikro, a close friend of this Shime Ofijato came to my house. I planned tracking a civet, and I had the opportunity to grab the fish civet with my own trap. I went to the farm to get it. When I went, I saw the blood with my own kolo eyes. But this secret was nowhere to be found. I had the opportunity to go home seriously angry. When I got home, I saw Ali Baba in my own house, nearly wanted to steal my daughter's virginity.
This is serious.
He had the opportunity to massage certain parts of her body. When I saw it, I felt very bad. I nearly killed him. And he told me that he knows the people who have been stealing in this community.
He told you so?
He told me.
Then we need to banish them from this community.
Exactly. I support you.
Sure.
I support you. If you don't, Odikro, one day you end up, or they will end up coming to steal you.
That is true.
If you don't banish them from this community.
Let's change them.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Then let's go. Let's change them. Hey, I never went with your chair.
No. Leave it there.
What? Amale, is it true? So, you'll be lying to me. Amale, all this while you'll be lying to me. You allow your teacher, that idiot teacher of yours, impregnated you. Eh? Hey! That idiot will hear from me. I swear. He's going to answer my questions. Eh? And anytime I ask you this, you'll be telling me stories. Oh yeah, get up! Follow me! Let's go!
What did I do to teacher Mama? What did I do? What did I do? Teacher Mama, what did I do? What did I do? It's okay. I don't know what I
Mawale, come out! I'm ready for you today. Come out! Fool! What's that idiot? Where's that Mauli? Where is he?
Mr. Mauli is gone.
What? To where?
He has run away.
Hey! Hey! I'm dead. I'm finished. Hey, Amale! Amale, you've killed me. You see what you done to yourself? Hey? You see what you done to yourself? You see? Let's go. Let's go.
Mawule. Mawule, I told you, your cup. You can solve this amicably. You can. I just came here to do my job. Come on.
Kolebi, can you please help me carry my water? Can you please help me carry my water?
Bravo. You see your life. In this world, there is something called karma. And what goes around comes around. I thought you said you were a lady. So you involve yourself in this thing. You see your life now. Sorry for yourself. I thought we were friends. I even came to you for help. You insulted me, mocked at me, as if I'm a trash. Look at you now. You were mocking at me that my baby father is a lazy man. Just because you were having Boboli Bobo, the hard-working guy in this village. You see, your best friend, Nanana, is now having him because of your greediness. Now my lazy man, Kweku, the one you call the lazy guy, he is now a government worker. And by next week, he will be in the city. You see your life. Learn from your mistakes. And stop stressing yourself. It won't help you and your baby. If you won't abort it. I can help you. Take care of yourself. Stop crying. Wonders shall never end.
What have you gotten yourself into? Maui! Those rascals are in my house right now. They want to kill you, Maui. Please, go. Run from this village. Go! I don't see you. Go, please, go. Be fast, go. Take this road, and get to the main road, okay? Be fast. Hurry up. Go, hurry up, Maui. Please, be fast, go!
I am sorry, Odi, please, I am sorry. Odi, please, forgive me, I beg you.
Yeah, Alva, I know. And that's why I won't be responsible this time around. I won't be the father of your unborn child. Yeah.
Odi, please. Odi, I am sorry. I am so sorry.
Damn you, Alva. Alva, I loved you. And you chose that idiot over me.
I'm sorry, listen, I am so sorry.
Yeah.
I only get
just because he is from the city and he is a teacher.
I'm sorry.
Araba, yeah. And besides, you are not the only one he has left with.
Sorry, I am sorry. Please.
I'm sorry. You know, I'm in trouble now. All the elders in this village are after me. And besides, all my friends are gone. Alba, I'm sorry. Take good care of your unborn child for me.
Odi, please. Odi, you can't do this to me. Odi, I'm sorry, Odi, please, Odi.
Life is full of twists and turns. Had I known is always at last. I wish I could go back in those days, not to feel the same thing twice, but to correct my errors. I've now realized that the happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts.
Back in the days, back in the days, so back in the days, back in the days, back in the days. Ready man, ready man. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Pretty man. You too move for na mantia. You too move for na mantia. You too move for na mantia. Asembe ba debi, asembe ba debi o. Jaya kuboni dio, tichama uli. Jaya kuboni